Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Black Ops 6. While launching the game, you get a black screen and you are not able to play the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Let's proceed with the basic troubleshooting first. Go ahead and simply restart your game. Sometimes a simple restarting the games help you fix out the issue of black screen. And secondly, restart your router. Turn off your router. Unplug all the cable supplies attached to your router, wait for at least 30 to 40 seconds and then replug the power supply, plug it to the electricity and then turn it on and then connect your system with your router. After doing these two steps, go ahead, relaunch the game to fix out the issue of Black Ops 6 black screen at launch. If this failed to work out, in next step, simply head over to settings menu. In this left pane, click on the option system. Now click on the option display. Now here you will find the option of HDR. So again, if you have turned on the HDR option in your system, go ahead and turn it off. At my end, it is showing that it is not supported. So at your end, if it is supported, make sure you turn off the HDR and then relaunch the game to fix out the issue of Black Ops 6 black screen at launch. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the third step. In third step, you need to launch the game and then click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. Here, click on the option graphics. First of all, click on this view tab, scroll down and you will find the option of world motion blur and weapon motion blur. Go ahead and you need to turn off these two settings. Now click on this display tab and under the display mode, from this drop down list, choose the option as Windows mode. Once you have done so, click on the option apply settings. Once done, go ahead, launch the game and hopefully this will fix out the issue of Black Ops 6 black screen at launch. Now if this method also failed to work out, in next step you need to open the directory of the game. I have installed the game onto the Xbox, so I'll go ahead, click on this three dot icon, choose the option manage. Under the files menu, there is the option of browse, click on it. Open Call of Duty folder, content folder and here you will find a file COD. Simply right click on this file and choose the option properties. Click on the compatibility tab and here if this option is checked mark, run this program as an administrator, uncheck it, hit apply and OK button. However, if this option is already check mark, go ahead, you need to check mark this particular option, apply and OK button. Now close it. Now go ahead and relaunch the game to fix out the issue of Call of Duty Black Ops 6 black screen at launch. However, if all these methods fail to work out, in next step you have to completely remove the anti-cheat software from your system. Roet Vanguard as well as Faceit Anti-Cheat, these two softwares seem to be conflicting with Black Ops 6, which doesn't let you launch the game and in turn give you a black screen at launch. So make sure you completely remove Faceit Anti-Cheat, Roet Vanguard, and third software is MSI Afterburner overclocking software. So if you have installed this software into your system, go ahead uninstall this MSI Afterburner, Faceit and then Roet Vanguard. Once you have done so, make sure to restart your PC and then relaunch the game and this will completely fix out the issue of Black Ops 6 black screen at launch. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.